If you know that you're suffering from poor manners, you don't have any manners, don't see me on the street, whether we were colleagues or we were friends or whoever we were, and give me a number to talk to you. And then whenever time I reach out to you and talk to you, you don't acknowledge my call. You don't respond to my messages. And then you claim that you have problem or you may stress. And you don't respond to my messages 1 day, 2 days, you don't answer my calls. And then you're putting up blogs and then you're putting up message. Don't do that to me. If you think you have problem, other people have problem too. Some of us have more problem than you. Because remember, said doctor say me have cancer, you know? So me have more problem more than a lot of you. Plus a whole lot of other problem that you wouldn't even imagine that I have. Manners will take you places that your money cannot. Manners is important. Another thing, I can love you 6 o'clock and dislike you 6:15. I am a Gemini. And don't tell me that I am a Christian and I believe in horoscope. Because I believe in the month of the year. I believe in the days of the week. And I believe in Google weather that caused me to wet every day. Google weather is never yet accurate. And I believe in it. So don't come tell me that I shouldn't believe in what? The same persons them who create the horoscope that tell me, or to create the sign that tell me say I am a Gemini, they are the same person who said that today is March. Today is March how much, baby? That today is March 18. So don't bother with it. I block and I delete quickly. And as I said, ill manners, being poor manners, is no excuse for having issues. Because you have issues, you go to your workplaces and you still pretend to like your boss and you're still polite at work in order to get paid. So as soon as you and don't tell me that I am thin skin. Oh yes, I am very thin skin because the last time I checked, I am flesh and blood. So when you're rude and have your rudeness, you keep it to yourself. Don't try to friend me because I am not the best person. Happy Monday, everybody.